So we're at Liberty Reservoir Bridge at the Baltimore/Carroll County line, and today we are conducting gas bridge pipeline inspections with the Skydio S2 Plus drone. When we do these inspections, typically we are looking for anything that could affect the reliability of our systems, any signs of atmospheric corrosion, any pitting. We also make sure that all the support structures, the hangers are in place and they have rollers underneath them. If there's any wraps around the pipeline, we make sure that that's intact and not unraveled. We also make sure that everything is structurally sound around the pipeline as well. So traditionally, a technician would come out and he would perform a visual inspection of the gas pipeline. But typically, these gas pipelines run over bridges, busy roads, and rivers. So using drones to do these pipeline inspections are important innovation because they mitigate risk. So for example, you can see the terrain here is very uneven, a lot of rocks, we have poison ivy, someone could slip and fall. I could stand right there on the bank and conduct this inspection using the Skydio drone. We can get angles that the technician just can't see with just his eyes. We're able to climb, descend, and use our gimbal to get the angles that our inspectors need to look at. This is the Skydio S2 Plus drone. It is known for its amazing obstacle avoidance. It has 6 vision cameras throughout the aircraft. They call it the uncrashable drone, which makes it really beneficial to perform tight inspections like the gas pipeline inspections that we do here at BGE. So typically when I'm out flying, even though I have the FAA licensed pilot do not disturb on my back, people come up to me and they ask me, are you working or are you flying toys? So most of our interaction is positive, but we also explain the value of what we're doing to our customers. So when I'm out flying transmission and I have a curious customer come up to me, I explain what I'm looking at and the possible defects that I'm identifying. Yeah, they think it's awesome. I love what I do, and coming out here every day to fly and to improve BGE's reliability and safety means a lot to me.